Fletcher thought his nightmare had finally ended, but freedom comes at a price he never expected.
Michael Fletcher, you're under arrest for murder.
Accused again, betrayed by a system that failed him before.
I won't be a victim twice. This time I'll fight.
I believe you, Michael. We'll find the truth together.
As deceit tightens its grip, the truth becomes more dangerous and essential than ever before. Will justice finally prevail, or will Michael Fletcher be consumed by corruption again?